करता पुरख निर्भय अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद।
सत श्री अकाल एंड गुड इवनिंग लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन, सामनो हजरात, खुशामदीद ते जी आयां नूं आखदे हां तुहाडे सारिआं नूं जिन्हां ने ग्लोबली काफ़ी मन्ना मारियां ने ते साडे सोहणे सुलुखणे प्यारे प्रदेश पंजाब नूं देश ते परदेस विखे न सिर्फ मशहूर व मारूफ कीता है वरन पंजाब ते पंजाबी दी खुशबू सारी दुनिया विच शराबोर कीती है। असी मशकूर हाँ तुसी सारे शोरां दे ते उन्हां सुखनवर हजरात दे जिहड़े इत्थे तशरीफ रखते ने।
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome on stage our chief guest for this evening, Dr. Manmohan Singh, the 13th Prime Minister of India. Let's have a big applause and have him on the stage. We have our guests of honor, Justice Jagdish Singh Kheher, former Chief Justice of India. Retired General Joginder Jaswant Singh, former Chief of Army Staff, Indian Army, and the former Governor of Arunachal Pradesh, better known as General J.J. Singh. Rana Gurmeet Singh Sodhi, Cabinet Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs and NRI Affairs, Government of Punjab. Tarlochhan Singh, the former Chairman, Minorities Commission. Mr. Sarabjit Singh Tihara, CEO of Tihara Company, President of USA Kabaddi Federation, and the owner of Royals Kings USA.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's commence today. On behalf of Manish Media, which connect beyond boundaries, I, Jaswinder Sehgal, along with my co-host Sushma Rajiv, welcomes you all to witness the achievements of the sons and daughters of the land of five rivers, the India's breadbasket, Punjab. The first volume of Jewels of Punjab was released during the 350th birth anniversary of Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji, while this second volume is being released during the 550th anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and both by the hands of our respected chief guest, Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji.
And now we would like to request our dignitaries to please come forward for the lighting of lamp.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the chief guest and all the esteemed guests on the dais to kindle the light of compassion, the light of caring, and the light of wisdom. Let's pray to the Vaheguru that we use our vocational skills for the service to the humanity, and that all Punjabis of the world act differently and become the responsible leaders in their respective businesses, professions, and vocations. उठा के नजरें उधर तो देखो, उठा के नजरें उधर तो देखो, जहां का मंजर बदल रहा है, एक और सुहानी सुबह लेकर पंजाबियों का सूरज निकल रहा है।
कैसा डर है जो निकल गया, अभी तो पूरी रात बाकी है, यूं ही नहीं हिम्मत हार सकता मैं, अभी तो कामयाबी से मुलाकात बाकी है। और आप सभी कामयाब लोग हमारे बीच हमारे आपके चेहरों पर जो मुस्कुराहट है वो हमारे दिल को बहुत बड़ा सुकून दे रही है। और जहाँ पंजाबीज़ हो, मुझे लगता है कि जो ठंडक होती है वो अपने आप ही गर्माहट में बदल जाती है, जैसे कि ये हॉल पूरा गर्माहट में बदला हुआ है आपकी मुस्कुराहटों से। सो ऑल यू पीपल, वी अपलॉड योर सक्सेस एंड इट्स वंडरफुल टू हैव यू ऑल विद अस टुडे इन दिस ब्यूटीफुल इवनिंग।
लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, एक वो जमाना था जब देश के हालात ठीक नहीं थे और जिसे देख अल्लामा इकबाल ने भी कहा था कि मुद्दतें गुजरी हैं इतनी रंजो गम सहते हुए, शर्म सी आती है इस वतन को वतन कहते हुए। परंतु फिर जो हुआ उस पर अल्लामा इकबाल ने फिर लिखा, बट खदा फिर बाद मुद्दत ने मगर रोशन हुआ, नूर इब्राहिम से अजहर का घर रोशन हुआ, फिर उठी आखिर सदा तौहीद की पंजाब से, हिंद को एक मर्द कामिल ने जगाया ख्वाब से।
And as now all the dignitaries have taken their seats, I would like to request Padma Shri Vikramjit Singh Sahni to present a shawl to our chief guest, Dr. Manmohan Singh.
Padma Shri Vikramjit Singh Ji Sahni, International President of World Punjabi Organization and Chairman of Sun Group and Sun Foundation, for welcoming Manmohan Singh Ji with this shawl of respect, regard and welcome. And a huge applause for you, sir.
Now I would like to invite Mr. Chanmal Kumawat Ji, the chairman of Manish Media, and request him to present Dr. Manmohan Singh a bouquet. A floral welcome for our chief guest, Dr. Manmohan Singh, the 13th Prime Minister of India. ਉਹ ਨਾਮ ਉਹ ਸ਼ਖਸੀਅਤ ਹੈ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਹਿਊਮੈਨਿਟੀ ਅਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਅਤ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਗਾ ਦਿੱਤੀ। Effervescent and charismatic Mr. Sahni, he is the International President, World Punjabi Organization, President, International Chamber of Commerce, Paris, India, Honorary Consul of Republic of South Africa, Board Member, NSDC, and Member, Board of Trade, Government of India, Chairman, Sun Foundation, and the list is endless. We invite you, sir, for your welcome address.
Welcome, Padma Shri Vikramjit Singh Ji Sahni.
सतगुर नानक प्रगटिया मिट्टी धुंध जग चानन होआ. Respected Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji, the former Prime Minister of India, Justice J.S. Kehar, former Chief Justice of India, General J.J. Singh, former Chief of Army Staff India, Sadatar Lochan Singh Ji, former Chairman, Minorities Commission, Gurmeet Rana Sodhi Ji, the NRI and Sports Minister, Government of Punjab, other dignitaries, Chand Kamawat Ji, Excellencies, and dear Punjabis. This year, we are fortunate of having celebrating 550th birth anniversary of Sahib Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the founder of Sikhism, a saint, a social and religious reformer. You just now saw the movie produced by World Punjabi Organization, The Mystic Master, on his life and teachings. Guru Nanak Dev Ji indeed preached, there is but one God, truth is his name, he is master creator, he is eternal and beyond incarnation. फिर उठी आखिर सदा तौहीद की पंजाब से, हिंद को एक मर्दे कामिल ने जगाया ख्वाब से. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was always accompanied by a Hindu Bhai Bala and a Muslim accomplice Bhai Mardana, and he said, na ko Hindu, na Musalman, koi bole Ram Ram, koi Khudaye. Guru Nanak Dev Ji preached message of universal brotherhood, secularism, and peaceful coexistence, and a message of tolerance, which is the need of the hour. Guru Nanak Dev Ji also proved that it is the milk which runs out of a poor and honest man's bread, and it is the blood which runs out of rich feudal lords. Guru Nanak Dev Ji, as you saw in the film, raised his voice against oppression, vehemently protested the Babur's invasion when he invaded Ahmedabad. Guru Nanak Dev Ji also eradicated all the social evils, and he was the first one to restore respect of women in the society, of gender equality. And he said, So kyo manda akhiye, jit jamme rajan. How can woman be inferior when it's the woman which gives birth to warriors, kings, and great men of this universe? It was again Guru Nanak Dev Ji who gave us three principles: Kirt Karo, Naam Japo, and Van Chako. And it was again Guru Nanak Dev Ji who first raised his voice to respect the environment. All we hear about global warming today. But remember, Guru Nanak Dev Ji 550 years back said, Pavan Guru Pani Pita, Mata Tarat Mahat. Even Rabindranath Tagore, history says, was impressed by a description of nature and God given in the Aarti by Guru Nanak Dev Ji at Jagannath Puri, when he said there cannot be a better world anthem than Gagan Mein Thal, Rav Chand Deepak Bane, Tarika Mandal, Janak Moti. Today, while World Punjabi Organization is marking this function as a concluding function in the series of 550th birth anniversary of Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, having produced light and sound show Satgur Nanak Pragateya, which was also premiered at Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium for 30,000 people by none other than Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji. Today you have seen the film Mystic Master, many shabds, public interest messages, and a traveling painting exhibition which WPO have commissioned, which is traveling globally right at this moment. We are proud to have partnered with Manish Media to bring out the second edition of Jewels of Punjab, a coffee table book on the achievements of leading Punjabis who have done Punjab, the land of 5 rivers, proud. Punjab, which is known as the bread basket of India, is famous for its brave, chivalry, fun-loving, and really hard-working people. The state is known for giving birth to the wild belief of universal brotherhood, and it is the land where great holy saints, right from Baba Sheikh Farid to Sufi saints of Baba Bulle Shah and great Sikh gurus who preach the message of sacrifice and peaceful coexistence. I have no hesitation in saying that right the week starting today, the Sikh gurus sacrificed their lives and martyrdom of Sahibzadas, which we all observe in this week of December. It is an unparalleled sacrifice which was given by the great Sarbansdani Guru Gobind Singh Ji for the upkeep of Indian civilization. I thank from the bottom of my heart to Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji, whom I feel is really not a politician, but a statesman with vision, persistence, and integrity, who really laid the foundation for economic transformation and liberalization of India right from 1991. I take this opportunity to also congratulate our Jewels of Punjab tonight, who have made name and fame with their achievements, especially the first Sikh Indian Chief Justice of India, Justice J.S. Kehar, who will be conferred upon Jewel of Punjab. And when we invited him at Baisakhi, because he doesn't go to any functions, but when he came at last Baisakhi, while uttering his remarks, he said, Dehe Shiva var mohe ehe shubh karmante kabhu na taru. When Chief Justice of India, the savior of democracy in India, says this is his prayer and this is the ideal, you can say that Indian judiciary is in safe hand. We also congratulate the Indian General J.J. Singh, the Chief of the Army Staff. Bishan Bedi ji must be on the way. Bill Malhotra, a leading developer from Canada. Mani Kohli, entrepreneur from Montreal. Sarabjit Singh Thaira, the agriculturist of Yuba City. Rabindra Narayan, chairman of PTC Punjabi, through whom we see the Gurbani telecast from Golden Temple. Manmohan Garewal, Rupinder Suri ji, the President of Supreme Court Bar Association, Sardar Taranjeet Singh, Chairman of JIS Universities from Calcutta, who has 50,000 students studying, and he started educational institutions in West Bengal. We have Mr. S.S. Kohli, the former chairman of Punjab National Bank and the first chairman of India Infrastructure Limited. Satinder Pal Ahuja, a great entrepreneur from Bombay. Daler Mehndi must be here. Manjeet Singh Gill, we cannot forget, the founder of Bukhara, and many more you will see today, all jewels of Punjab. And of course, our Rana Gurmeet Singh Sodhi, the embodiment of youth, the art and culture and sports and NRI interests in Punjab. In the end, Harinder Sikka ji is here. I welcome from bottom of my heart to everybody and thank Manish Media to collaborate to bring out this coffee table book. And in the end, I would say, which was Guru Nanak Dev Ji's message, which is the message of Punjabiyat, Nanak Naam, Chaddi Kala, Tere Pane, Sarbad da Pala. Thank you.
We have so many personalities today here who have that focus. Let's introduce the next one.
But before that, वक्त नूर को भी बेनूर बना देंदा है, वक्त नूर नू भी बेनूर बना देंदा है, वक्त फकीर नू भी हजूर बना देंदा है, वक्त दी कर है बंदिया, वक्त कोयले नू भी कोहिनूर बना देंदा है. Jewels of Punjab are no less than Kohinoors who have earned success in their own unique ways, and today is the day to honor these Punjabi pioneers in a distinctive style.
तो आमंत्रित करना चाहेंगे हम the chairman of Manish Media, Shri Chanmal Kumawat.
चांदमल जी कुमावत स्वागत उद्बोधन के लिए पधारें और इस कार्यक्रम के बारे में हमें अवगत कराएं.
सत श्री अकाल, वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. गुरु नानक देव जी के 550वें साल पर हुए इस जलसे पे पधारे परम आदरणीय भारत के पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री माननीय मनमोहन सिंह साहब, जे सिंह साहब, JS खेर साहब, त्रिलोचन सिंह जी, विक्रम सानी साहब, राणा गुरमीत सोडी साहब और सभी पधारे अतिथियों का स्वागत, हृदय से आभार कि आपने पधार के जो आपको श्रद्धा गुरु नानक देव जी के नाम पर है, उसके लिए मैं सभी का हृदय से आभार प्रकट करता हूँ. वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. सत श्री अकाल साहब.
Thank you very much, sir. And I should say that there are no secrets to success. It's the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. And I think you all are aware of that because we have so many successful people among us today. It's a wonderful evening. And now I would like to invite Sardar Tarlochan Singh, former MP and former chairman for National Commission for Minorities, for his kind words.
बहुत खुशी है कि सैकेंड टाइम इसे हाल विच असी ये जूल्स ऑफ पंजाब किताब 2 साल पहला ते अज दोबारा सैकेंड एडिशन इत्थे रिलीज़ हो रहा है. और मैं इस गल लई जिथे ईशा जयपुर वालियां दा चांदमल जी का शुक्रिया है, उत्थे सरदार विक्रमजीत सिंह सानी जे ये सारे सिस्टम नूं ऑर्गेनाइज करके वर्ल्ड वाइड पंजाबीयत का नाम उच्चा करदा, उसका धन्यवाद करदा. और सब तो बाद धन्यवाद साडा हमेशा डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी का. वेर एवर ही कम्स ये सानू प्रस्टीज मिलता है. अज जूल्स असी लभदे हैं वर्ल्ड दे, द बेस्ट जूल इन द वर्ल्ड इज डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह एंड वी आर ऑल प्राउड ऑफ इट.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we are blessed with the presence of Mr. Sarbjit Singh Thiara. I invite you on the dais, sir. Mr. Sarbjit Singh Thiara, CEO of Thiara Company, President of USA Kabaddi Federation, and the owner of Royal Kings USA, and Ms. Gurmeet Kaur Deo, co-founder of Karpal Singh, and from Malaysia. तो तुसी बिल्कुल ठीक गल कीती सी, लेकिन पंजाबियों वास्ते तो किसी ने बड़ा अच्छी गल कही है सर सीढ़ियां उनके लिए होती हैं जिन्हें छत पर जाना है। सीढ़ियां उनके लिए होती हैं जिन्हें छत पर जाना है। वो आसमां पर जिसकी निगाह, उसे अपना रास्ता खुद बनाना है। पंजाबियां ने अपने रास्ते आप बढ़ाएं सर।
Well, I would like to request now Rana Gurmeet Singh Sodhi to speak something to all of us. Rana Gurmeet Singh Sodhi, sir.
ਸੋਢੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ, ਸੋਢੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਨਾਂ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਯਾਦ ਆ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਸਰ।
ਲੱਖ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹੀਆਂ ਜੇ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਨਦਰ ਕਰੇ। ਅੱਜ ਉਸ ਜਗਤ ਗੁਰੂ ਬਾਬਾ ਨਾਨਕ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਿਰਫ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਜਾਂ ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ, ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਾਨਤਾ ਹੈ। ਅੱਜ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ 550 ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਇਕੱਠ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ ਦੇ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਵੱਡਾ ਦਰਜਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ, ਡਾਕਟਰ ਮਨਮੋਹਨ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜੀ ਆਇਆਂ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਰਾਜਮਾਨ ਨੇ। ਔਰ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੀਰ ਪਦਮ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਵਿਕਰਮ ਸਾਨੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ, ਕਮਾਵਤ ਸਾਹਿਬ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਰਾ ਇਹ ਉਪਰਾਲਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਜੁਐਲ ਆਫ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ 2nd ਐਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਜਾਰੀ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਅੱਜ ਇੱਥੇ ਇਹ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਹੈ। ਮੇਰੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸਤਿਕਾਰਯੋਗ ਜਨਰਲ ਜੇ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਔਰ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਜਨਰਲ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਸਿਰਫ ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੌਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਔਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਜਸਟਿਸ ਜਗਦੀਸ਼ ਕੇਹਰ ਜੀ, ਸਾਡੇ ਠਿਆਰਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ, ਗੁਰਮੀਤ ਕੌਰ ਜੀ, ਔਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਵੀਰ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਤਰਲੋਚਨ ਸਿੰਘ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਆਪਣਾ ਜੀਵਨ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਔਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਅਤ ਔਰ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਗਿਣਤੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਹੈ ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ 'ਚ ਕਹਿ ਲਓ ਜਾਂ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਕਹਿ ਲਓ। ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਸ਼ਾਇਰ ਨੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੈ कि बेशक हमारी माला छोटी है, बेशक हमारी माला छोटी है, पर फूल उसके सारे गुलाब रखते हैं। सो ये सारे गुलाब ने पंजाब और पंजाबियत हमेशा जिंदा रहे। विद ऑल दीज वर्ड्स आई थैंक यू ऑल टू इनवाइट मी हेयर, एंड इंडीड आई एम रियली humbled once again to the organizations and to Sani Saab that you remembered me to be part of this lovely event today. Thank you very much. जय हिंद, वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। थैंक यू सर। राणा गुरमीत सिंह जी सोडी
Is a series of coffee table books featuring the most influential Punjabis across the world. The first volume was released by the former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh and Air Chief Marshal B.S. Dhanoa, and it covered 100 families from 19 countries and has travelled to 39 countries. Following its success, the second volume in the series is a celebration of victory over struggles and over failures, a compilation of life's odysseys of 75 families across 19 countries. It showcases how today's reckoned names earned their reputation, starting out with almost nothing. And this book is a way to celebrate Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji's 550th birth anniversary. And as they say, all good things come in small packages. They say that chota packet, bada dhamaka. So that's it. A similar situation exists in the case of Indian state of Punjab. This book highlights the achievements of Punjabis in the country and outside.
Ladies and gentlemen, ਇਹ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਉਹ ਦਸਤਾਵੇਜ਼ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਨਵੀਂ ਪਨੀਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਵਿਰਸੇ ਦੇ ਰੀਅਲ ਹੀਰੋਜ਼ ਨਾਲ ਰੂਬਰੂ ਹੋਣ ਦਾ ਮੌਕਾ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਦੋਸਤੀ, ਇਤਮਾਦ, ਖਲੂਸ, ਰਾਹਤ ਤੇ ਸਕੂਨ ਦੀ ਇਲਾਮਤ ਹੈ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਬੁਲੰਦਗੀਆਂ क़याम पजीर हैं। एक शजर ऐसा मोहब्बत का लगाया जाए, एक शजर ऐसा मोहब्बत का लगाया जाए जिसका हम सफ़र के आंगन में भी साया जाए। आई इनवाइट कृष्ण दत्त शर्मा, a writer and a born traveler, to tell the story hidden behind my these line. कृष्ण दत्त शर्मा।
नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल। इस शाम को खूबसूरत और यादगार बनाने के लिए हम मनीष मीडिया के सभी लोग, आप सभी मेहमानों का तहे दिल से स्वागत करते हैं और साथ ही शुक्रगुजार भी हैं हम आप सबके। आज की इस सर्द शाम में भी कितनी गर्मजोशी है क्योंकि इतनी सारी शख्सियत एक साथ एक जगह पर, और आप सभी की ज़िंदगी की अनकही अनसुनी कहानियाँ भी आप ही की तरह एक दूसरे से बातें कर रही हैं। कुछ देर में ही जब उस किताब के पन्ने पलटे जाएंगे, फिर वो कहानियाँ पढ़ने वाले को अपने किरदार की दास्तान सुनाने लगेंगी। आप सभी लोगों ने अपने हौसले, हिम्मत, शिक्षा और संवाद व मानवीय संवेदनाओं के गुणों के कारण ही जिंदगी में तरक्की का ये मुकाम हासिल किया है, जिस पर हमें व समाज को फक्र है। और ये तो पंजाब की ज़मीन का ही कमाल है, जहाँ से अनगिनत शूरवीर योद्धा, शिक्षक, फौजी, वैज्ञानिक, उद्योगपति, खिलाड़ी, शायर, गायक, संगीतकार और श्री गुरु नानक देव जैसे धर्म गुरुओं ने जन्म लिया और अपने संस्कारों और शिक्षा से पंजाब की जमीन को सींचा। मैं तहे दिल से आमंत्रित करता हूं हमारे पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह को।
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor for me to be present at this function in which we are going to honor some of the best known Punjabi celebrities. Justice J.S. Kher, former Chief Justice of India, is one of the most distinguished personalities from Punjab. So also is General J.J. Singh, former Army Chief of India. Equally famous is Sardar Tarlochan Singh, and what to say of Vikramjit Sahni, has played a very uniting role in bringing Punjabis from all the 4 continents together on one floor. Rana Gurjit Sodhi is the Sports Minister of Punjab, and in that quest he has been instrumental in creating name and fame for sportsmen from Punjab. Sri Chand Kumawat is an equally famous personality. He is present here with us today, and there are many other dignitaries on the dais. I extend a very warm welcome to each one of them. Guru Nanak's 550th birth anniversary is an occasion to once again to go back to that period when Guru Nanak lived and gave his message of uniting the world, of ensuring that secularism is a message which alone can unite communities and nations. And in the quest, he created a new ethos. We talk today of environment. Guru Nanak was the first one to give the message of Paun Guru, Pani Pita, Mata Dhart Mahat. And just as Vikramjit mentioned, the place of women in our society is something which was very dear to Guru Nanak. We remember all those things today when we are celebrating the 550th anniversary of Guru Nanak's birthday, and let this be an occasion to unite peoples of Punjab, wherever they may be resident. After all, Punjabis are today an international community. Whether you are in Europe, in United Kingdom, whether you are in the United States or in Canada, in Australia, in New Zealand, everywhere where the Punjabis have gone, they have brought name and fame, and it's our obligation to spread this message of the innovative nature of Punjabi culture all over the world. I congratulate Vikramjit Singh Sani for having created an atmosphere through the World Punjabi organization of bringing at one stage distinguished Punjabis from all walks of life. Whether it's the world of science, whether it is the world of judicial activism, whether it is the military capabilities, whether it is science and technology, in all areas, including entrepreneurship, the Punjabis have excelled in all walks of life. And the obligation there is on all of us to ensure that the next generation of Punjabi children, boys and girls, are given the best possible education, because education is the route to prosperity. Education is the route to creating new order, new activities which can bring new horizons before the people of the world. With these words, I once again thank Vikramjit for having invited me to this function. I congratulate all the distinguished personalities who are being honored today by presenting them with the Jewel of the Punjab award. May the Punjabi personalities represented here and elsewhere in the world should flourish and flourish for good of humanity at large. Thank you. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your kind words.
Thank you so much, our honorable chief guest. We would like to request Dr. Manmohan Singh, Justice Kehar, Vikramjit Singh Sani, Chanmal Kumawat to stay on stage, and we will begin our felicitation ceremony.
So, sir, in this series, former Chief Justice of India, Jagdish Singh Khear, to be honored first by Manmohan Singh Ji. So, our felicitation starts with former Chief Justice of India, Jagdish Singh Khear.
Former Chief Justice of India. From being the first in his family to study law to leave a legacy for his children, he's a real influencer. Although he was an exemplary student with a gold medal in LLM, he had to struggle a lot in his initial days.
Former Army Chief General J.J. Singh.
Former Army Chief General J.J. Singh. Retired General Joginder Jaswant Singh Marwa. Retired, we call him General J.J. Singh. He was a former Chief of Army Staff, Indian Army, and former Governor of Arunachal Pradesh. We would like to now invite Mr. Rana Gurmeet Singh Sodhi.
Cabinet Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs and NRI Affairs, Government of Punjab, Rana Gurmeet Singh Sodhi.
He's also a 1975 gold medalist in National Trap Shooting Championship and has represented India in Asian Games in 1978 and 1980 and wanted to join the Indian Army. Ms. Gurmeet Kaur Deo from Malaysia. Her husband Karpal Singh Deo was a fiery crusader for the constitutional rights of the people of this country, and Her world was shattered once Kirpal succumbed to injuries in a car crash, and ever since she has been holding the reins of her late husband's empire.
Next name, Mr. Sarbjit Singh Thiara from USA. Sarbjit Singh ji.
Mr. Sarbjit Singh Thiara, CEO, Thiara Company, President, USA Kabaddi Federation. Life is a roller coaster ride that you have to take. This summarizes the life of this agriculturist. Mr. Subhash Bill Malhotra from Canada. And next name, we move on to Mr. Manmohan Singh Mani Kohli.
President and CEO, Matt and Nat Canada. Big in fashion, what could that be? Mr. Brij Sharma from USA. Mr. Brij Sharma from USA.
Mr. Brij Sharma is the President and CEO of Powervolt.
Mr. Manmohan Mani Singh Grewal from USA. President and CEO, Matt and Nat Canada.
Mr. Kuldeep Buttar from Hong Kong. Mr. Kuldeep Buttar from Hong Kong.
Founder and Chairman, Buttar Group of Companies, China. Mr. Harcharan Singh Saini from Kuwait. Harcharan Singh Ji Saini from Kuwait. Mr. Rabindra Narayan, Managing Director and President, PTC Network India. Rabindra Narayan Ji, thank you for that morning Raga and Shabad Kirtan live telecast. With the help of PTC Network, really we acknowledge you and your services, sir. Mohinder Pratap Singh, Ambassador of India to Mongolia. Senior Advocate Rupinder Singh Ji Suri, the President of the Supreme Court Bar Association in 2017. He has been the President of the Supreme Court Advocate on Record Association.
Between 2004 and 2006, he has also held the position of Secretary General INSOL India and is an active member of the International Bar Association. Sri Harcharanji Saini.
Shri S.S. Kohli, former Chairman, Punjab National Bank. S.S. Kohli Sahab. Surinder Singh Ji. On behalf of Mohinder Pratap Singh, Ambassador of India to Mongolia. Next in the row is Mr. Taranjit Singh.
Mr. Taranjit Singh from India.
Mr. Satinder Pal Singh Ji Ahuja. Satinder Pal Singh Ji Ahuja.
Chef Manjeet Singh Gill, he is advisor ITC Hotels, President Indian Federation of Culinary Associations India.
Thank you, sir, for Dal Bukhara.
Yeah, the world loves Dal Bukhara.
Mr. Rajesh Satija from UK. Rajesh Satija.
Mr. Rajesh Satija, Chairman, Sun and Sun Group of Company from UK. One of the top investors in Africa. He's the president of Super Industries, DMCC Dubai, Mining Plus Mineral Resource UK, Samsung Overseas Limited India, and Equasia Home Limited India. The Honorable Baljit Singh Gosal from Canada. The Honorable Baljit Singh Gosal, former Minister of State for Sports, Government of Canada. From law to engineering and politics to business. Mr. Hardyal Singh Karan Buttar, Director Buttar Construction Limited from UK. Mr. Harjinder Singh Chahal from Germany.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Mr. Harjinder Singh Ji Chahal from Germany.
He is the founder of Taj Mahal Restaurants in Germany. He was probably one of the best volleyball players in India but left the game for his father and he moved to Germany to study economics.
Next name is Mr. Harjinder Singh Ji Kukreja. Harjinder Singh Ji Kukreja. Social activist, influencer and businessman from our country. Mr. Gurinder Rishi Singh Aitan. Gurinder Rishi Singh Ji. Gurinder
Gurinder Rishi Singh Ayathan, he is a Managing Director, SKA Group, President All India Prajapat Samaj Youth Wing in India.
Next name is from the Netherlands, Mr. Vinod Sahdev. Mr. Vinod Sahdev.
Mr. Vinod Sahdev is the owner, Invitation Restaurant, the Netherlands.
APJ Abdul
APJ Abdul Kalam and the King of the Netherlands love to eat at his Indian restaurant in Holland. He has held IFA events through once he was working 2 jobs at a time to support his family.
Mamta ji.
Mahajan, Chairperson, East African Growers Group of Companies, Kenya. Life seemed like a fairy tale to her, a loving husband, 3 adorable daughters and wonderful friends and family. But everything changed. Mr. Gurpreet Singh Kular is the Managing Director of the Kular Group, President, Federation of Industrial and Commercial Organization of India.
He was the district hammer throw champion also for 2 years. And the last in this list is to Mr. Kanwar Bir Singh and Mr. Deepak Sood from India.
Mr. Kanwar Bir Singh and Mr. Deepak Sood, Directors, Vestige Marketing Private Limited, India.
Puneet Ji Kohli. Puneet Ji Kohli. Mr. Iqbal Singh Ji Nandra.
Mr. Iqbal Singh Nandra.
Sardar Manmohan Singh Ji. He has blessed us with his august presence and has felicitated these real jewels of Punjab.
Let's have a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for all these people who were here on the stage to achieve these awards.
And I request Justice Kher and Vikramjit Singh Ji Sahni and Chandmal Ji Kumawat for the felicitations of Dr. Manmohan Singh Ji. And a huge applause from all of you to this great Sikh and the real jewel of Punjab, the jewel of India and the jewel of world, Sardar Manmohan Singh Ji. May I invite former Chief Justice of India, Jagdish Ji Kher, for his concluding remarks.
To be here this evening. I'm really grateful for the conferment of this honor by the organizers on me and my colleagues on the dais and others in the audience. The fact that this award was given by Dr. Manmohan Singh, the brightest of jewels of Punjab, adds great luster. I wish Punjab all the best. I wish all of you a very happy new year. I wish all the people on the dais good luck and more achievements of life and higher levels of living. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. This was 44th Chief Justice of India giving the landmark judgments such as Triple Talaq and the right to privacy judgment.
Right.
Ladies and gentlemen, huge applause for these real jewels of Punjab who have blessed us with their esteem and gracious presence. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's start with this second round of felicitations. I request Dr. Shaminder Talwar, to be on the dais. We want to felicitate you, sir. We also want to felicitate Bibi Inderjeet Kaur. On her behalf, Tilak Rajji, her colleague, will come on the stage to collect the memento. I request Anil Anand Sahab to come on the dais to collect the memento of Manjeet Singh Ji Vasu. So, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Shaminder Talwar. Thank you, sir.
Bibi Inderjeet Kaur, and on her behalf, Tilak Raj, her colleague, is coming on stage to collect the memento. Can we have Tilak Rajji?
Dr. Inderjeet Kaur. Dr. Inderjeet Kaur. Congratulations, sir. Mrs. Anamika Sood ji, sorry kept you waiting. Congratulations, ma'am. On behalf of Pradeep Sood,
Please.
his memento is being taken away by Mrs. Anamika Sood. Congratulations.
Okay, and now we would like to invite Manjeet Singh Vasa, and on his behalf, his friend Anil Anand is here to collect the memento. Manjeet Singh Basu, and on his behalf, we would like to invite his friend Anil Anand ji on the dais.
Ladies and gentlemen, next name is Baljit Ji Gosal. Baljit Ji,
Baljit ji Gosal.
his flight was late. We announce your name, sir. But nevertheless, please be on the dais. Baljit Ji Gosal.
Good evening, everyone. I, on behalf of my brothers, Manish Bhaiya and Abhishek Bhaiya, we three would like to give our sincere gratitude to the chief guest who spent more than 1 hour with us. We are really honored. We are really honored to have the guest of honors. We are really honored to have the jewels who have traveled from 4 continents, who have traveled from 24 countries on such a short notice and make this evening a very special for us. Celebrating the 550th birth anniversary, taking inspiration from his messages, his teachings, we at Manish Media would also like to convey our sincere thanks to the audience. It's the audience who have made this evening a remarkable one. Also, at this time, I would like to call upon my team who has worked 15 months in last 10 months. This calculation goes wrong, but while working, while traveling, we have worked with many time zones. So allow me to please invite all the members of team Manish Media, the family of Manish Media. Please come on the stage. And before I invite my family, let me request a very special person who has arrived here from Yuba City, California, on my personal request. And sir, you really made and boosted our whole morale. Thank you, sir. Sarab, sir.
I just want to tell you guys all, Siddhant came to me with this Dr. Jewel, Punjaba Jewel. I have never met anybody like Siddhant. He made a phone call, and I could not say no, even with the short time and everything. Flight even came late today, but we made it here. But I want to congratulate Siddhant for all the effort that he has put into this event and how he got everybody together. And back to Manish Media, congratulations to having Siddhant on your team.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Yes, when we say Team Manish Media, it's incomplete with Manpreet ji, it's incomplete with Goldie ji, Sumit ji. Please come on the stage. And very special person who has worked to make this evening very special, very successful, Jaswinder Sehgal sir. Please, ma'am, please join on. Sushma ma'am. There are still members who are in our Jaipur office, who are still coordinating with the back team. Wasim ji, Bhai ji, you are still with us here in spirit. Your services has made this evening a success. Thank you very much. Thank you.